Moving on to the next swimwear problem. My swimwear rolls up or down, especially when I move. This is definitely regarding fit. Have you tried it on? If you didn't, you just bought it because it's cute and you thought the size is the size. No. Interestingly enough, a lot of designers have different sizing metric. It doesn't matter if you are within the United States. Every designer has a different sizing metric. So whether they are sewing under or over, that does matter because it does take a lot. That does take in some inches or takes away some inches. So that is one thing. You definitely need to know that that is poor fit. And then lastly or nextly, I don't even know if that's the word, but the elasticity, I said elasticity, the stretchiness. I'm gonna just say that because I just can't pronounce the word. It probably lost. It's probably gone away. It's probably worn its course. You've probably worn it a lot. I'm not sure what the situation is, but those are one of the two suggestions that or options that the problem is when it comes to rolling up or rolling down. Also, I want to say I did touch on fitting. This does sound like the shapewear episode or one of the questions. And when it comes to just the size, the fitting, because that is, goes hand in hand, it can be too tight. And when it's too tight, when it comes to the elasticity, I can never say that word right, but when it comes to stretchiness, the spandex, when you have it really, really tight, it is trying to get back to its natural shape and you are really taking it out of its shape. It's being abnormal. It's trying to get back. It's trying to just bounce back. So it's rolling back. It's trying to roll back to its natural state. All right. I hope this was very helpful.